expanded form and short form. The expanded form of a number is written as the sum of the place value of each digit of the number. The short form of a numeral is its standard form. Example: write the expanded form of the number 67,542. Solution: for writing the expanded form of a number, first we write the place value of all the digits in the number. So let us first write the place value of all the digits in the number 67,542. Thus, the expanded form of 67,542 will be written as follows: equals 6 times 10,000 plus 7 times 1,000 plus 5 times 100 plus 4 times 10 plus 2 times 1 equals 6 10,000s plus 7 thousands plus 5 hundreds plus 4 tens plus 2 ones equals 60,000 plus 7,000 plus 500 plus 40 plus 2. Example: write the expanded form of the numeral 5,89,741. Solution: the expanded form of 5,89,741 will be written as follows: equals 5 times 100,000 plus 8 times 10,000 plus 9 times 1,000 plus 7 times 100 plus 4 times 10 plus 1 times 1 equals 5 lakhs plus 8 10,000s plus 9 thousands plus 7 hundreds plus 4 tens plus 1 ones equals 500,000 plus 80,000 plus 9,000 plus 700 plus 40 plus 1.